I'm calling on the Brotherhood of American Truckers. If you want to find out a little bit about getting into trucking or trying to find the best trucking company along with the best pay at entry-level experience, stick around. First, I want to start off by telling you about a channel that specializes in entry-level positions and getting into the trucking industry and being profitable while doing so as well. A good friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, you probably know him, his channel is Make Sense, but Sammy knows someone that this channel that I'm about to talk about helped personally. And on top of that, you know, Sammy endorses this particular person or this channel, and quite frankly, that's good enough for me. So his name is Viking Trucker. I will link to his channel at the very end of the video, so just click on his little icon and it will take you directly over there. You're welcome to scroll through to the end, but I urge you to stick around. You'll find out why here in a minute. Just give me a few minutes of your time, please. Now this video is going to be a little bit different than anything you've probably seen before because I need your help. I was asked a question from Dust Bowl Metal Show, and he lives in Phoenix, Arizona, and his question, well, it's just easier to show you. So there's his question, and you know, it's a little bit lengthy, so I'll give you some time to read it. But by now you should be through it. So yeah, anyway, I only have experience with one company as an entry-level driver, and that's going to be the same for everybody. So everybody's experience is going to be different. You know, 5 other people that went through FFE like I did had 5 other different experiences than what I experienced. So I can only talk about my experience as well as everybody else. So I'm calling on the Brotherhood of American Truckers. You know, 30 years ago, this used to be an extremely helpful, tight-knit group. You know, if there was a truck on the side of the road, you'd see 3 or 4 of them on the side of the road parked, helping. That's how this industry used to be, and we need to get back to that. So let's start right here, right now. It's really simple. All you need to do is write down in the comments down below, what was your experience as an entry-level truck driver? Where did you go? Where do you live? And you can just narrow it down to state. And talk about, you know, did you get paid while in training? And did you make good money post-training? Now good money is going to be different for everyone. It's going to be different for somebody that's single and 22 versus somebody that's 40 years old, has a mortgage, has 3 kids, and all of everything that comes along with that. So good money means different things to everybody. But let's just say, I mean, I don't know the situation, I don't know all the different variables, but you know, kind of knowing what I know about the industry, let's just call good money about $1,000 a week. Preferably more, but let's kind of cap that at the minimum. So please talk about your experience down the comment and down below. Just take a couple seconds of your time, you know, do this. Let's come together. You know, the trucking community needs to come together. Please share this out. You know, tell your friends that worked for different companies, hey, just comment on this video. I don't care about, you know, the views or anything like that. I just legitimately want to help this person and anybody for that matter that's coming into this that doesn't have any experience or that's looking for those entry-level trucking companies, who the best ones to work for are. You know, real quick about those, you know, the mega carriers, as we call them, it's difficult to find the right one to work for. It's difficult to find one that pays really well. Their profit margins operate on tenths of pennies per mile. And when you're operating on such a fine profit margin line, it's hard to pay entry-level positions that have a turnover rate of over 100%. Let that sink in. Good money. So let's get the word out there about who pays the best as far as entry-level positions are concerned. Please write those down in the comments down below. I apologize, I think I'm getting sick. And trolls, find another video to troll. You know, please, you know, stay away from this one. I will be monitoring the comments, and you know, I'm just going to delete the ones that are troll-like. So, you know, once again, guys, I'm begging, you know, just please be honest. Let everybody know about your experience. Just really quickly, my experience at FFE. I came in, I went through the CDL, I obtained my permit, went to the DMV, got my CDL. That took about 2 weeks. That was not paid training. Then I went into 6 weeks of training with a trainer over the road. Really wasn't all that great of money. I don't remember how much. It was, you know, it was over 6 years ago for me. So I don't remember how much I actually got paid going through that, but I want to say it was like $300, $400, maybe $500 a week at most, absolute most. And then once I got out on my own, I was a solo over-the-road driver. They don't even have over-the-road drivers anymore. I didn't make very good money. It was about $30,000 a year is what I was averaging. However, in 2 months, I was asked to be put on the plasma team, and my salary legitimately tripled. So I got extremely lucky as far as falling into that. That has gone down a little bit over the years, but you can still make really good money. You can make, I mean, when you're talking about an entry-level position, it's incredible money that you can make. So that was my experience as an entry-level. Please, you know, that's literally all you got to share. You know, oh, by the way, I'm from Texas. FFE's main terminal is located, which is now, they're owned by KLLM. Anyway, their main terminal is in Lancaster, Texas, just outside of Dallas. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I thank you in advance for helping out, for sharing your experiences. You know, let's really get this going. Let's get as many responses about different companies as we possibly can, and especially if you have experience with roll transportation, ROEHL. If you worked there, you know how to spell it. But that one in particular, because they have a terminal that's about 10 miles from his house. So once again, thanks guys, greatly appreciated. This is exactly why I started this channel, was to help. So let's do that. Thanks.